Tighter virus measures in Singapore over the last month have dampened new private home sales by nearly a third compared to April. Property analysts say it limited show flat and property viewings. But some observers expect transactions to make a comeback as COVID-19 restrictions are eased. Natasha Razak reports.
One Burnham was the best-selling project last month, with more than 80 units sold. Experts say that's because of its city centre location, strong rental potential and high resale value. It's one of two new launches in the district. Nearly 900 units were sold last month, about 380 fewer than April. But one analyst says the drop is temporary.
There were stricter measures being imposed in show flats and as well as house viewings, such as having no more than 2 persons per group, including salespersons, for property viewings. And moreover, there were also no major launches during the heightened period.
At least one observer expects sales to pick up by about 20% after the restrictions ease, and that's because of pent-up demand. But the rebound may not be as significant as it was after the circuit breaker.
But this time round, people still can make arrangements to visit the show flats. They just need to make sure that they adhere to the guidelines. And the other reason is the circuit breaker measures actually span over about 2 months. This time round is about 1 month. So the relatively shorter period also means that the pent-up demand may not be that high.
With sales expected to bounce back, market watchers are confident the number of private homes sold this year will exceed last year's. They say that's because of the more positive economic outlook and healthy demand.
Developers probably may be encouraged by the new sales, and they probably be looking for new land sites to be, especially if their land banks start to deplete. From the past few land bids or the public tenders, we see that the competition is pretty intense. We expect the bids to be relatively high.
Analysts also say private home prices are unlikely to dip because of higher land and construction costs.